Welcome back to TechEGadget. In today's video, the top 5 best Ninja blenders of 2025 that deliver unmatched performance, durability, and versatility for every kitchen. Whether you love making smoothies, sauces, or protein shakes, these blenders are designed to make your prep effortless. Watch till the end to see our top pick, and do not forget to check the links in the description for prices and full details. Number 5. The Ninja Fit Compact. Personal Blender is a powerful and compact blending solution that brings convenience and performance to your kitchen. Equipped with a 700-watt motor base, it delivers impressive blending strength, easily breaking down fruits, vegetables, and even ice. With advanced pulse technology, this personal blender ensures smooth and consistent textures, making it ideal for smoothies, milkshakes, and nutrient-rich juices. Designed with simplicity in mind, the Ninja Fit is lightweight, portable, and easy to store, making it perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or offices. The package includes two 16-ounce cups with spout lids, allowing you to blend directly in the cup and take your drink on the go. This feature makes it a great option for those with active lifestyles who prefer quick, nutritious options without extra cleanup. The Ninja Fit also supports healthy living through its nutrient extraction ability, unlocking vitamins and minerals from fruits and vegetables that are often discarded. Cleaning is quick and effortless since all parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Additionally, it comes with a 50-recipe inspiration guide to help you create a wide range of delicious and healthy beverages. Weighing only a little over 3 pounds, this blender combines strength and portability in one sleek design. Overall, the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, space-saving, and high-performance appliance that supports a healthy and active lifestyle every day. Number 4. The Ninja NutriPro Single-Serve Blender. BN401 is a compact yet high-powered blending solution that delivers exceptional performance for your everyday kitchen needs. With its 1,000-watt motor, this blender crushes ice, fruits, and vegetables with ease, creating smooth, creamy blends in just seconds. Whether you are making smoothies, shakes, sauces, or frozen beverages, it ensures consistent and delicious results every time. This model features 2 Auto IQ preset programs that simplify the blending process with one-touch operation. The programs are intelligently timed for smoothies and crushed ice, eliminating any guesswork and providing professional quality results at home. The powerful Pro extractor blades efficiently extract nutrients and vitamins from whole fruits and vegetables, making your drinks both healthy and flavorful. For added convenience, the Ninja NutriPro allows you to blend directly in the 24-ounce cups, attach the spout lids, and enjoy your creations on the go. Its compact design fits easily on countertops, while the quick setup makes it ideal for busy lifestyles. All components are BPA-free and dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless after every use. This blender also comes with a 20-recipe inspiration guide to help you experiment with different smoothie and drink ideas. Combining modern design, strong performance, and easy usability, the Ninja NutriPro Single-Serve Blender BN401 is a perfect choice for anyone seeking power and portability in one appliance. It is a reliable companion for health-conscious individuals and everyday home chefs alike. Number 3. The Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender is a high-performance appliance designed to deliver professional blending results in the comfort of your kitchen. With its 1,400-watt motor, this blender offers outstanding power to crush ice, blend frozen fruits, and create smooth, creamy drinks and desserts with ease. It is built with a modern and durable design that enhances both style and functionality, making it an excellent choice for everyday use. This model includes 3 Auto IQ preset programs that simplify the blending process. Each program is intelligently timed to deliver perfect results for smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream at the touch of a button. The total crushing blades are designed to pulverize ice and hard ingredients effortlessly, providing consistent and silky textures every time. The Auto IQ technology removes the guesswork, automatically adjusting pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns for precision and efficiency. The extra-large 72-ounce pitcher allows you to prepare large servings for the entire family, while the tight-fitting lid prevents spills and leaks. The BPA-free pitcher and blades are dishwasher-safe, ensuring an easy cleanup process after every use. Its strong yet compact build makes it convenient to store while maintaining excellent stability during blending. The Ninja BN701 also comes with a 15-recipe inspiration guide to help you create a variety of delicious and healthy drinks. With its incredible power, versatility, and ease of use, this blender is a perfect addition to any kitchen, ideal for both beginners and experienced home chefs. Number 2. The Ninja Blend Boss Personal Smoothie Blender and Tumbler. DB301CYBRN is a compact yet highly efficient appliance that combines power, convenience, and sleek design. With its 1,200 peak watt motor, this blender delivers exceptional blending performance, easily crushing ice, fruits, and vegetables into smooth and creamy results. It is ideal for creating smoothies, shakes, frozen beverages, soups, and purees, with professional precision in just moments. Featuring 3 intelligent auto IQ programs, the Blend Boss eliminates the guesswork from blending. These presets for smoothie, ice crush, and blend automatically combine pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns for consistent, hands-free results every time. The durable stainless steel crush blade assembly ensures that even the toughest ingredients are blended evenly, giving you perfectly smooth textures with minimal effort. The 26-ounce travel tumbler adds to the convenience, allowing you to blend and go without transferring your drink. Its leak-proof flip cap and integrated chug spout make it perfect for daily use at work, school, or the gym. The cup holder-friendly design and easy carry handle make traveling with it effortless and worry-free. Compact and modern, the Ninja Blend Boss features a striking cyberspace finish that enhances your countertop while saving space. All components are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for quick and easy cleaning. With its powerful performance, portability, and smart design, the Ninja Blend Boss Personal Smoothie Blender is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable, stylish, and efficient blender for an active, on-the-go lifestyle. Number 1. The Ninja Blender and Food Processor Combo. Foodie Power Blender System SS401 is an all-in-one kitchen powerhouse designed to handle a wide variety of blending and food processing tasks. Equipped with a 1,600 peak watt motor and smart torque technology, it effortlessly powers through tough ingredients, including ice, frozen fruits, nuts, and seeds, without stalling. This ensures smooth, creamy results for smoothies, shakes, smoothie bowls, spreads, and more. This versatile system features 7 preset Auto IQ programs that provide one-touch convenience for blending, extraction, bowls, spreads, chopping, and food processing. The Hybrid Edge Blade Assembly delivers superior breakdown of frozen whole fruits and vegetables, ice, and other hard ingredients, creating consistent textures every time. The XL Smoothie Bowl Maker with built-in tamper is perfect for thick, nutrient-packed bowls, while the Nutrient Extraction Cup unlocks vitamins and minerals from whole fruits and vegetables for healthful drinks. The enhanced food processing lid with feed chute and select cut discs allows for precise slicing, shredding, grating, and dough preparation. Variable speed control provides further customization for recipes, enabling the creation of protein shakes, purees, sauces, and more. All components are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup simple and convenient. Included in the system are a 72-ounce blender and processor pitcher, to-go cups, total crushing and chopping blade assemblies, reversible slicing and shredding discs, grating disc, dough blade, hybrid edge blades, and a 20-recipe inspiration guide. The Ninja Foodie Power Blender System SS401 combines durability, power, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for families, home chefs, and anyone seeking a professional quality blending and food processing solution in one appliance. That concludes our list of the 5 best Ninja blenders of 2025. Each of these blenders offers exceptional performance, durability, and convenience for your kitchen, whether you are making smoothies, frozen drinks, or protein shakes. Explore the links in the description to find the best deals and full product details. Make sure to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful reviews and buying guides.